So you guys, Gogo Maweni has spoken out about Palesa Madisakwane after she took her Sangoma attire and actually threw it in the fire as she said she resigns from being a Sangoma. Maweni said she does not believe that anyone who has a spiritual calling would actually throw away something that they have worked so hard to awaken. So if you throw them away, you will have to deal with the repercussions that comes with it. Basically, she does not believe that Palesa was spiritually gifted, you guys. So up next, I'll just go ahead and insert the rest of the video. But before I do that, do make sure that you like, you share, you comment, and of course you subscribe and you follow the page so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video.
Thokozani guys, personally, I wasn't going to say anything about the burning of Amahia. But because of the DMs and the comments and people tagging me, I just figured, you know what, let me just say my 2 cents. In all honesty, everybody's entitled to their own beliefs. Just don't suppress other people's beliefs. But I truly, truly believe, Uguti, if you have a spiritual gift and you seriously have a spiritual gift, high into zakudlala, lahla wena izinto zakho zedlozi ubone ukuthi kuzoyenzakalayo. Burn those things, burn lamahia la ubone ukuthi kuzoyenzakalayo ngoba izinto ezibelonga to ledlozi lolo ulisebenzele kanzima ledlozi leli oliphakamisile. I mean kubhlungu ukuthwasa guys, kubhlungu. So obviously if unganadlozi bese uyashisa uyalahla, nothing's going to happen to you because awunadlozi at all.